Ever wondered what happens if you never stop coughing? Coughing is actually your body's defense system. It helps clear your throat and lungs from irritants like dust, mucus, or germs. But if the cough doesn't stop for days or even weeks, it could be a sign of something deeper, like an infection, allergies, asthma, or irritation in the lungs. Staying hydrated, getting enough rest, and seeing a doctor when a cough lasts too long can help prevent bigger problems. Remember, a cough might seem small, but your body could be trying to tell you something important.